Hey guys, and welcome back to another day with tea. Tonight I am going to the store to get ingredients to make beef and broccoli stir fry. So why don't you guys come along with me? I got the packet of seasoning the other night to inspire me to make something a little bit different from usual. So I need to go and pick up the fresh broccoli and the beef strips. And then I think the recipe doesn't call for an onion, but I'm gonna probably add an onion in it, which I'm pretty sure I have at home anyway. Alright, I am back, so I think I'm just gonna quickly throw this meal together. See, I got my seasoning pack that I got the other day, and I have my olive oil handy. I got this bagged broccoli because they only had one good fresh broccoli that's not pre-cut and washed at the store. So in case I didn't have enough from this, I got this too. I might end up just using the pre-washed and cut one. Lady things. Bread we needed. The beef strips. Soy sauce. Got myself a couple of these little Cove gut healthy soda pop things. I tried the orange one yesterday and I liked it, so I want to try the grape and the lemon lime. And I'm running low on Greek yogurt, so I also got that. I like this Oikos, 19 gram of protein per serving, and it's just plain. And a package of Mr. Noodles, because we like ramen noodles here, and here it's called Mr. Noodles. So first things first, gotta wash our hands. Alright, so the recipe wants me to mix together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, the package of seasoning, and 3/4 of a cup of water. This is 1/4 of a cup. So I'm going to add 3 of it. Get that bread out of the way. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. And the seasoning package. It just looks like this. I'll probably add salt and pepper as well. Giving it a little whisk with my fork. So I set that bowl of the mixture aside, and now I'm gonna throw my olive oil onto the pan just to have it ready. Alright, so I cut up my onion and I pushed it aside, and now I'm going to, even though this meat's already in slices, I'm going to cut it a little bit smaller because I prefer the pieces to be more bite-sized. Now we add all the meat to the pan. like so. Now I'm also going to make a cup of white rice just to go with it to have underneath. Should do it. So I'm gonna add salt and pepper to my beef as it browns. And going to give it a stir. Rice is good to add to the boiling water. Give it a quick stir. Shut the stove off. Grab the lid to cover, and it can sit for about 5 minutes. Beef is going well. Going to be adding the broccoli, onion, and the sauce in a second here. All right, now that the beef is browned up, I'm gonna open this bag of broccoli and toss it in. Whoa, some of these pieces are really big. I should have checked that first. I'll just rip some of them apart. No one wants a bite that big. I'm actually gonna give this stock to Luke. Right here, watching me. And broccoli is a good, healthy snack for your puppy dogs too. Wish they wouldn't do this. Buy it as pre-prepared thinking that it's actually prepared, but now I'm digging it out of my hot pan and cutting it up so that it's actually prepared. Why would they do this to me? Another piece for a patient boy. For being such a good kitchen helper. Okay, I need to toss my onions in as well. And dump my sauce on. Oh no. See, I should have. Oh my god, you'd think it's my first time cooking something. I didn't stir it up again before. And now all the seasoning settled onto the bottom. So just let me give this a good stir here. I've also never tried to film and cook at the same time before, so I've got to catch myself a little break. Gonna add some more salt and pepper. Let's give this a stir. So there we have it. Beef and broccoli for two over a bed of rice. There's a little bit extra beef and broccoli left in the pan that I can put away as well. I suppose I should do a little taste test with a little bit of everything on my fork. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty on par with what I've ever had of beef and broccoli, I would say. All right, thanks again, you guys, for being here. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my random content of whatever I pick up the camera to vlog. Bye guys, thanks for being here. See you next time. Do you want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? You do? Okay, let's go. Have Luke on his walk, and it started to rain pretty much as soon as we left the house, but since we're going swimming after, we decided we'll just walk in the rain anyway. a boy. Just walking in the rain with his mom. It's getting worse.